Hi friends, I'm Mary Turner, the training supervisor at bit4mining.com. Let's learn how to deposit from account balance on the platform. Navigate to bit4mining.com. On the right top menu, click on Login. Fill the login form with your username or email and password, then click on Login. On the left top menu of your account dashboard, click on Buy the Power button. On the deposit page, choose one of the mining plans. Choose your payment method from the crypto's balance list. Check the balance amount on the payment method. Enter the deposit amount in dollars. Check your daily and total income, then click on Buy the Power. On the next page, confirm to decrease the amount from your account balance and buy new mining power. Your account gets charged and the mining plans start automatically. Thanks for watching. Happy investment.